Did you know that Amsterdam is home to over 2,500 houseboats? That's right. These floating homes aren't just unique, they're a crucial part of the city's history and culture. Pretty intriguing, huh? Today, we're diving into the Houseboat Museum, a hidden gem that showcases the fascinating world of houseboat living in Amsterdam. This museum is not just another stop on the tourist trail, it's a must-visit for anyone looking to understand the lifestyle and history behind these iconic vessels. So, let's set sail and find out what makes this place so special. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about houseboats? Well, many visitors come to Amsterdam and see the picturesque canals filled with these quirky homes but don't really grasp the depth of their history or the lifestyle of the people living in them. Houseboats have been a part of Amsterdam's landscape since the 16th century, and they tell stories of resilience and creativity. However, without a deeper understanding, it's easy to overlook the challenges and joys of living on the water. The Houseboat Museum aims to bridge that gap, helping visitors appreciate not just the aesthetics but also the unique culture of houseboat living. Inside the Houseboat Museum, you'll find an incredible array of exhibits that bring this lifestyle to life. One of the highlights is the actual houseboat you can explore. It's decked out to show what life is like on the water, from cozy living spaces to the ingenious ways people have adapted to life in a floating home. There are also displays showcasing the different types of houseboats, like the classic boater and modern variations. Each boat has its own story, with anecdotes from the inhabitants that give you a glimpse into their daily lives, everything from how they handle cooking and laundry to the unique challenges of living on the water, like dealing with the tides and the weather. It's a fascinating look into a lifestyle that many of us can only dream about. One of the most captivating stories you'll encounter at the museum is about a family who lived on a houseboat for over 30 years. They transformed their floating home into a vibrant space filled with art and community spirit. Their journey illustrates the deep connections people form with their houseboats and the community that develops along the canals. You'll hear about their adventures during floods, how they decorated their home with handmade crafts, and how they fostered friendships with their neighbors. This isn't just about living on a boat, it's about creating a life full of love, creativity, and adventure right on the water.